Hey everybody, I thought I'd do a little video today on how to take your strut cap off. It's a really simple process. You're going to need a rag and a flathead. Sometimes they're really hard to come off, so you can't get it off with your hands. So you put your rag down, make sure you don't scratch the paint. You're going to aim for that little notch. Then you're just going to pull up. It's going to get it loose off your bolts. Then you can take the rest off and you're done. To put it back on, you simply have to align your bolt with the holes. There's only one way to go. Then you push it back down and you're done. If you guys have any question about this, please leave a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.